The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 431 in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following Michigan counties: Baraga, Iron, Dickinson, Marquette, Houghton, Menominee. The primary hazards with this will be severe large hail events with a few very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter possible, several damaging wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour, and a few isolated tornadoes. And again, this severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.